Hello, my darlings. It's Michaela. So, I wanted to spell out how to navigate this membership, okay? So, there's a few things that are in place that you may have already checked out, but I just want to explain what they're all about and how you might wish to use them, all right? So not only is there a course attached to this membership, but there are courses attached to this membership. So we have our Fat Burning Favorites recipe book that is an ongoing, ever evolving resource. I've attached the course Takeoff, which is meant literally to take fat burning to the next level, whether that means that you are now even more proficient at understanding like how to leverage carbohydrates for your workouts, how to work out in the day, when to work out in the day, how to calculate carbohydrates more proficiently, if you're eating once a day, if you are exercising as well. But that is meant to go through our 5 parts of fat burning in an amplified, in a elevated way. Okay, so it's meant to help you to have more of what you want and to be kind of unshakable, to never lose it, to never fall off the wagon, and also to be able to weather shit that might not be super fat burning friendly, but to still be pretty rock solid. Okay, so that's Takeoff. Then we also have a course, a 4-phase course that I created really for anybody, but there's talk of fat burning in it. So my wish for fat burners is for everyone at some point to go through this. And so you may not be starting at phase 1. I've named them all. Phase 1 is like chubby and confused. So it's like you're a little, there's a little extra weight on the frame. Your health is not amazing, and you're kind of a little unclear as to what to do. But my encouragement is for everyone to start at the beginning and to go through all of these elements in each course to make sure that you are solid in all of them. This really encapsulates my entire background. So there is information around injury prevention, pain management, how to be stronger in any move. There is more talk about cellular health, prevention in general, even things about emotional regulation, emotional unburdening, the importance of joy. And so this course is meant to leave no stone left unturned. Fat burning covers a lot, but it does not cover everything. And that's my goal with this course. And the truth is, that's my goal with Unbound. Fat loss, fitness, not feeling old. So this is what we are encapsulating here. And really my wish is for people to look amazing, feel freaking fantastic, look younger, and live longer. And when you know all of the elements that make up that reality, you can have that. And so that's what this entire environment is meant to offer, and that's absolutely, that course is meant to be a blueprint of the steps that one would need to take in order to make sure they are proficient in all of these areas. Okay. Additionally, we have an ebook that I wrote many years ago that's such an amazing resource. Again, injury prevention, how to be stronger in any move. There's a mini kettlebell class if that is new to you, or if you'd like to brush up on some of your technique. Then we also have our channel. So we have our community, which is in motion. Courses are static, community is alive. So we have there's channels for a variety of things, and then some of those channels are private. So it is for the people that are actively doing the thing, or that have signed up for the thing. So that's our biannual resets. That's basically like if you do stray, this is a great time to come together and to do our metabolic reset, our mitochondrial reconstruction to get resituated and reestablished as a fat burner. That will happen in September and in March. And then we have our quarterly boosts now, which some of you are participating in. We started on Monday. So those are those little threads. Please be as active as you desire. There is another channel that I think I just put like thoughts or questions. And so one of the latest sharings is about, it's a snippet of a 2-hour interview, but the gentleman that spoke, I believe he's a doctor actually, he talked about processed food, blood sugar, but really insulin. And the little segment that I shared was about the detriment of insulin regarding increasing our risk of heart disease and cancer. So my goal is to have my filter for the world culling bits of information, resources, longer segments that you can access, that you can check out, that keeps what we're doing clear, why we're doing this, top of mind, so logical as to why this is important and why you would continue to do particular things. And then lastly, we have our weekly lessons. And so my goal with that is to basically like teach in a slightly more solid capacity about any given thing that fits under this massive umbrella: fat loss, fitness, not feeling old. Last week we talked about intervals, using the incline on a treadmill, and this week we're going to talk about vacation, dealing with vacation. How do we not just kind of like go for broke or wander into the wilderness when we're in a location that is out of the norm, when we're with different people, when we're out of our routine. We'll be having a lesson every week. They will all be recorded. And once a month, we will have a live session. So we will be on Zoom, and it will be recorded. And so next week, I want to talk about discipline. And that is like a superpower. That is such a good thing to be proficient in. Anyway, it might even be a series. But we're going to talk about it next week, and that's going to be live. So I think like as we're all learning here how to do this, so it sounds like it's going to be in the first week of the month where our live session is. Okay? And again, I know I said it's going to be recorded. So that's it. So this is an evolving environment. And what I would love, I'm so grateful that you're here, and I would love to hear if there's anything that you need or that you want. The goal is to serve you. So if there are particular things, of course, that feel confusing or frustrating or that you need to be changed, please tell me about it. But if there are things that you're not receiving that you wish to be, please tell me about it. Okay? I think that's it. I hope that was amazing. I am over the moon that you are here, and I am so excited to grow and to have this membership evolve. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Love to you, and until next time.